Hi, Stacy Close with you again.
Come inside, share my shelter in this lonely night.
Today we're going to make a Coquette bright makeup. We should create a festive spirit on our own, especially in the spring. And a beautiful makeup is just about key to smile for each of us. So let's get started. We put a primer on the whole face.
As people live in crimes, drenched in lies, and how to live.
Then we put BB cream on the whole face with a beauty blender.
So won't you come and heal my dream? So won't you make my world complete?
After that, we need to mask the problem areas properly. So I work with a concealer. I put it under the eyes to mask all the problem areas and blend it using the smaller beauty blender. Do you remember? I have a beauty blender of 2 sizes. The smaller one will be perfect for this.
It's not everlasting. No, so won't you come and heal my dream? So won't you make my world complete?
Then I apply the powder on the whole face, shaking excess amount from a brush.
Hanging on the wall without the news, 'cause all my roles can be revealed.
And now I brush my eyebrows. I like this process. It's nice and it calms me down. And what about you? Then I take an eyebrow pencil and draw a contour of eyebrows, making a smooth transition. And only after that I paint my eyebrows inside. This sequence of actions helps to achieve the desired effect. And here I put the same super universal product, the concealer, on the eyes and blend it using a beauty blender again. Shadows, let's turn to the eyes. I put the light shadows for the eyelids. I put brown shadows on the upper fold of the eyelids and the outer corner of the eye. Then I use peach color shadows. I put them in the middle of the eyelids. I put pink shadows along the line of eyelash growth and blend them. And I do the same with the second eye. It is important not to forget about it, otherwise you can run out of the house with only one eye made up. Believe me, things like this happen.
Drenched in lies and how to live. Think about everlasting. So won't you come and heal my dream? So won't you make my world complete?
Now I add brightness to this makeup and take NYX liquid turquoise shades and put them on the lower fold of the eyelids using a brush. And do the same with the second eye.
Incomplete, lost in weeds. I'm so poor and weak, and my spirit leaks, and I'm afraid.
I do wings with an eyeliner on one and the other eye.
No, so won't you come and heal my dream? So won't you make my world complete? Hello, hello.
I I cover carefully the upper and lower eyelashes with mascara.
without being used. 'Cause all my roles have been revealed. I'm just a mess with broken wings.
I take a special fixative and put it on the eyebrows to fix the eyebrows I've been working on for a long time.
Oh, give me your hand, don't let me fall.
And here I'm applying fair pink shadows on the cheeks using a brush. Today we have them instead of a powder blusher, since it's a Coquette and therefore bright makeup. And finally, I'm applying moisturizing balsam over my lips. We don't need to take the accent from the eyes, so the lips are imperceptible today. And the last final moment for our makeup is a wreath that is perfectly fixed in my hair. Because for Coquette makeup, flowers is a great idea. Now I have an incredible spirit, festive spirit, and there might be no holiday this day, but it's where I am. Today I'm showing you how to do a Coquette makeup. Have a good spirit, my dear. Subscribe and see you in my new videos.